For Autism Awareness Month of April, we're seeing how IU students get down in the Northwestern School District, starting at Weisenberg Elementary.
Red, orange, Mr. You say.
Teacher Kathy Anthony loves getting her students moving and grooving. And through these songs, her students are learning number counting, calendar months and days, and spelling.
Part of why I love them dancing while we're singing is because it's a sensory experience for them, and that helps to regulate their bodies a little bit.
It's all about getting her students to show their personality, and sometimes she'll even get help from other students in the class.
Some of the kids who are more verbal than others serve as role models, so they encourage the other kids to sing and dance along, and it has really been a nice experience for all of them.
At the Northwestern High School, we're cooking up some grilled cheese.
As a parent and a teacher, I know the parents at home would love their students to be more independent.
Joanne Lutz is a special needs teacher as well as a mother to a child with autism. She believes independent living skills are just as important as any other lesson.
You just show her what to do and she'll pick up right on it. In my opinion, she's a very smart cookie. I mean, you tell her one thing and she'll remember it.
Part of Autism Awareness Month is shining a light on some common misconceptions so we all understand people with autism a little bit better.
I try to let everybody know as much as possible about autism, but I mean, it's tough. Everybody's like, what do you mean by that? And then you have to go and explain it. It's just a long process.
I've seen so much change in the world of autism with awareness, and these kids really, do everything like everyone else does, sometimes in a little bit of a different way, but it's nice to see them being showcased.